Right, today we have a one of a kind video going through an iPhone 12 prototype sourced from the dark web. Don't tell Apple. This is the funniest thing I've ever seen. So this is on Gumtree, Australia's most reliable network to buy and sell products. As you can see, it is the original iPad with the old charger. I don't know how that's still in one piece. But anyway, it is $100,000 if anyone is interested. Feel free to send Michael a message. Smuggled out of Shenzhen by a Hong Kong anti-pro-democracy activist. Then delivered by stealth submarine under the command of Captain Harold Hall of the Chinese Navy, Southern Division, to the Chinese-owned Port Darwin. Thence, not hence, thence, couriered overland by outlaw motorcycle gang Wang Chung. Motto, everyone have death tonight. To my secret bunker, whose address I will gladly provide to any interested party. This guy's a joker. The unauthorized sale of this device by myself is intended to bring down the corrupt governments of USA, Australia, Ryde City Council. That's just a small council in Sydney, if anyone doesn't know where this guy is. This will surely end Apple as a business, capitalism as a theory, and hasten our return to a more honourable agrarian society like that of... This guy has too much time on his hands to be sitting here making this ad, but he has given me a laugh and a half. Currently set to work in dark mode, Apple code equals off, with ultra power saving extension enabled. Apple code equals dead battery. This phone has revolutionary it's an iPad, but still funny. Has revolutionary technology included that I will leave to your imagination, as I have not seen it in operation. I can confirm the screen is indeed shiny and reflective, so thus is better than a so-called practical or usable matte finish. No screen protector is included because you're like me and choose to live life on the edge. I can appeal to that. An innovative cotton wool bud dirtying hole has been added to the edge of the phone. Hieroglyphics on the rear side indicate that this is an iPad 32GB model, but as there is no Rosetta Stone to decipher this gibberish, we are left to ponder the intent of the genius creator / god Johnny Ive, formerly known as Steve Jobs, before this transhuman consumption of the host organism by the parasite. I'll accept any responses. TPRK buys, yes, I do accept gold bars. Smash the state. Oh my gosh. I wish he put accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all those other ones. This is actually the funniest thing I've ever seen. I wanted to take a quick little recording before the ad gets taken down. And if anyone does have $100,000, then feel free to hit up Michael for his iPhone 12 prototype, because I'm not sure how much longer it's going to be up there. It's been up for, 12 views. I believe I got something that said it's been up for about 13 minutes. There it is. 14 minutes ago last listed, and I feel like this is going to sell really quickly. Anyway, hit Michael up on Gumtree if you want the iPhone 12 prototype.